Welcome back, guys, to another episode. This is a quick episode making pepperoni pizza snacks. This is good for kids or yourself, and this is a good snack anytime. So we have Lavash bread. If you see that, it's charred. You got pepperoni. If you notice, I sliced all these pieces of bread and pepperoni to fit equally. So that'll come out really good when you make this. This is mozzarella cheese, cut in the same sizes. And this just makes it a little bit better, but you don't have to do that if you don't want. And marinara sauce. So these are basically pizza snackables, and kids will love them, and they're really easy to make. So let's go right to the recipe. But before that, if you can please subscribe and hit the bell, and I will bring you many episodes every week. So to the recipe. Okay, so start off with a plate that you can put in the microwave, and put that Lavash bread on there. Put as many as you want. And then the thing we're going to want to do is take our marinara sauce and just put that on each one, and use the back of your spoon to spread it, and just do that to every single piece. So on that Lavash bread we have marinara sauce. Now take your pepperoni that's cut in the same size as this bread, and just place it on. That's snackable. Okay, guys, so our pepperoni is down there. Now here's the mozzarella. While you were gone, I actually cut these smaller. I didn't leave them as big as this, but if you wanted to, you could actually just put one in the center and melt it. But the thing we're going to do is going to place two on each. And it really doesn't matter when you melt this cheese if it spreads across the whole surface like a pizza, because these are basically snackables. So you want something different. And now the thing we're going to do is we're going to take this plate and put it in the microwave. And the thing you want to do is microwave it for 20 seconds at a time, because you can always add time. You can't take time away. If you want it also, you could put some marinara sauce on the top of this if you want, in between. That would make for a good combination also. I think I'll actually do that before I microwave it. So I will see you when this is done, and I'll let you know how long it took. Okay, guys, we are done. It actually took 27 seconds, but all microwaves vary. So here's the money shot. Your pepperoni pizza snackables for kids, for yourself, for basically anyone. So these things take as long as it takes to prep the ingredients. And like I said, it doesn't take long in the microwave. And if you can't get Lavash bread, look for pizza bread or whatever bread you can use, like pita, and cut it thin. So if you like recipes like this, please subscribe, hit the bell. You'll get 4 to 5 uploads a week. And I'll see you soon. God bless. Dansoy. Bye-bye.